Just like the rest of our body parts, the skin also requires certain essential nutrients to maintain it in good health. This biggest of our body's organ is tough but is still susceptible to the excesses of the outside environment, as well as the changes that occur inside our body. Today's video discusses this coconut and turmeric anti-aging drink is a recipe for healthy skin. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Skincare tips. Nutrients for healthy skin. Some nutrients that have been known to promote skin health include antioxidants, omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, and vitamins E and C. Antioxidants are found in a number of plant-based foods like fruits and vegetables, as well as spices and herbs. These usually all contain the essential vitamin important for maintaining a healthy skin. Meanwhile, fatty acids are found in seeds and nuts, as well as fatty fish. Vitamin C helps in synthesis of collagen, while vitamin E is important for protecting the skin from the sun and UV damage. Antioxidants fight inflammation, which reflects on the outside in the form of blemishes and acne-free skin. We have a recipe for you that combines all these nutrients in one delicious drink. Anti-aging coconut and turmeric drink recipe. This recipe contains bananas, pineapples, flax seeds, coconut milk, coconut oil, ginger, cinnamon and turmeric. This drink can be powerful additions to your diet if you are looking to improve the health of your skin. The coconut oil and milk are source of healthy fats and important vitamins, and the shiny flax seeds gives you a dose of omega fatty acids. Ginger and turmeric are both roots spices that are said to be anti-aging benefits by improving skin elasticity and fighting inflammation. Here's how to make this drink. 1. Chop the banana and pineapple. 2. Place them in a bowl and add flax seeds, grated ginger and coconut oil, cinnamon powder, turmeric powder and flax seeds to the fruits. 3. Add coconut milk and use a handheld blender to blend all the ingredients together. You may add a little honey to sweeten the drink more if you like. It's important to stay hydrated and wash your face after a day out in the sun to ensure a healthy and clear skin. Are you going to try this anti-aging drink for healthy skin? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.